Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Sarah binti Zakaria. Today I will discuss about the induction motor. Induction motor, as well as non-asynchronous motor, is an AC electric motor in which the electric current in the rotor needed to produce torque is obtained by electromagnetic induction from the magnetic field of the stator winding. Okay, let's move on to the single-phase induction motor. The single-phase is more used widely than the three-phase system for domestic purpose. It is because the single-phase system is more economical than a three-phase system, and the power requirement in most of the houses, shops, office are small, which can be easily met by a single-phase system. The significant difference in that there is only a single phase supply to the stator in the single phase induction motor than the three phase induction motor. The single phase motors are simple in construction, cheap in cost, reliable, and easy to repair and maintain. Due to all these advantages, the single phase motor finds in application such as vacuum cleaners, washing machines, and more. Okay, next, for the three-phase induction motor, this type of motor does not require an additional starting device that different from single-phase induction motor. These types of motors are known as self-starting induction motors. The performance of the three-phase induction motor is higher than the single-phase because three windings are available to carry the current. Just like any other motor, a three-phase induction motor also consists of a stator and a rotor. Basically, there are two types of three-phase induction motor. There are squirrel cage type and slip ring type or one induction motor. Okay, both types have similar constructed rotor. This is explained further in the discussion. Okay, for this experiment, I use the squirrel cage type. The squirrel cage type rotor has very simple and almost indestructible construction. This type of rotor consists of a cylindrical laminated core having parallel slots on it. This parallel slot carry rotor conductors. In this type of rotor, heavy bars of copper, aluminum or alloys are used as rotor conductors instead of wire. For the greater speed, lesser number of poles is used. In the squirrel cage, the torque speed characteristic of a three-phase induction motor is defined as the curve plotted between torque developed and rotational speed of the rotor. Okay, in the yellow table is the result for single-phase induction motor. From the table, the value of speed and phase voltage are decreasing while the value of input current is increasing. When the capacitor is varying from 400 microfarad to 40 microfarad, which is decreased, it will make the time change between voltage source and capacitor voltage become smaller. So it will affect the value of phase voltage decreasing. The value of torque and I out is same. It is because the current from the torque to inductor load or output current is same. Okay, next for the three-phase induction motor, which is the green table, for the experiment I vary the value of poles and resistor. When I increasing the value of poles, the efficiency become decrease, and while I decreasing the resistor, the efficiency is become more better. So we can conclude that when the number of poles is increased, the induction motor performance is become lower. Okay, as a conclusion, comparing single-phase versus three-phase induction motor, the three-phase power supplies are more efficient. A three-phase power supply can transmit 3 times as much power as a single-phase power supply, while only needing one additional wire. Okay, thank you for your time and bye-bye.